अपने सत्ता को ढिंढोरा पीट रहे थे, लेकिन मणिपुर में जो हत्या हो रही है, बलात्कार हो रहे हैं, the treasury benches didn't have the guts to talk about it here since the no confidence motion started. उसको बारे में कुछ भी नहीं हमें बता. It is a civil war, sir, and a government which cannot control a civil war has no business to remain in power. Double engine सरकार काम नहीं कर रहा है. Don't disrespect me. I'm talking. Why doesn't the government open their mouth? Why doesn't the government speak about Manipur? Why is the government giving a report card? This is not election time. Forget about the elections. Talk about Manipur. 57 to 58,000 people had lost their homes. There wasn't any food. There wasn't any drinking water. There wasn't any baby food. So that was Manipur in the relief camps, and the treasury benches didn't have the guts to talk about it here since the no confidence motion started. All this has been so covered up by this government here. The net was so blocked, the media was so manipulated that the nation hardly got the information till we went. Whose agenda is it, sir?
हिंदुस्तान की सेना मणिपुर में एक दिन में शांति ला सकती है. हिंदुस्तान की सेना का प्रयोग नहीं कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आप हिंदुस्तान को मणिपुर में मारना चाहते हो. हर रोज जब तक आप हिंसा को बंद नहीं